Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel TechNet Guide. Friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to install and set up Python in Windows 10. Okay, so first of all, let me show you. Go to Google here. Go to Google and type here Python. Okay, type here Python. Now you can see this is a Python official site. Okay, now click here Python. Now you can see Python type about download documents. Okay, beginner guides. Now click on download here. Okay, now you can see here download the latest version for Windows. You can, if you want to download with for Linux or Mac OS, you can download from here. Okay, now you have to click on download Python 3.10.2. Download it. You can see it's downloading here. Now friends, Python downloaded. Just click on it to install. Now what we have to do, we have to install now, and it will include ideal pip and documentation. Now friends, we have to select add Python 3.10 to path. Now we have to customize installation. Click on customize. Now you can see pip is there. Okay, pip, what is pip? Pip used to download and install other Python packages. Okay, so we need to select here, and ideal is for use to Python. Okay, tool, Python tool, Python test suite here. Now this is a Python launcher. Okay, now click on next. Now install for all user and download debugging symbol, or you can do it, you can select it. Okay, actually no need to do, but you can do. Now click on install here. You can see this is a path. If you want to install on another other path, then you can browse through here and select other path. So I'm not going to do. Now I have to click on install. Click on yes. Now it's installing here. Let it complete. Now click on close here. You can see setup was successful. Now we can close here. Now verify installed successfully or not. Check here Python. You can see Python 3.1.0 app. Okay, ideal is there. Now we can click on Python app. You can see installed. Now friends, we have to verify Python version. Go to command prompt and type here Python dash version. You can see Python version. Now if you want to run a script, Python script, type here Python. So friends, let's check my Python programming is working or not. So I have to run print type here something TechNet guide. You can see it's working, it's printing. Now let's check in ideal. Okay, ideal is working or not. Python. Okay, go here. Now check here print TechNet guide. Oh, it's also working. Okay, now we can also run in shell window PowerShell. We can also run Python from here. Python. Okay, print TechNet guide. So friends, in this video we have seen how to install Python on Windows and how to configure it, and we have run some test command here. So it's working. So thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.